What's up, guys? It's January 27th, 2025. We had a sideways day in the market, big gap down. I'm down 4 points today. I got caught out here. I got stopped out here, but had I caught that bar, I would have been very profitable. I'm not mad. It's the first red day of the month. Here we are on the daily. Here we are on the 15-minute. On the daily chart, we had three legs. We had climactic 4 legs up, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five. Inside bar at trading range highs. We're at the swing high here. Bulls went for the breakout and it failed. We had a big gap down and a huge sell-off overnight session, and then we went sideways. The sell-off, so we gap down here, we sell off, and we had a rally back to the midpoint. I think this bar is strong enough to get its own second leg. We are going sideways now. The 5-minute, so here's that huge sell-off, and then we rallied back to 50%. So this tail, this 50% here, this box, just so we know what we're talking about. Perfect. No one didn't even paint. Oh, there we go. So this blue box is this tail here, and we went sideways right around here all day. Big bull bar that kind of damaged the bear case. Here we can see, I guess I could have just shown you guys the rally right here. That's the whole point of the 15-minute chart. So yeah, 50%, just about 50%, give or take. Big set gap down, huge sell-off, climactic. We can count the legs right here. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. Leg four is climactic, and then we go sideways with lots of overlap. Leg one, pull back, leg two, deep pullback, creates a double bottom, kind of a wedge bottom, because we have actually a third bear bar right here. So leg one, pull back, two, pull back, leg three, wedge bottom, testing the breakout point here, and we have a very sideways rally for the rest of the day. Very deep pullbacks. We have a lot of selling. I think people wanted to catch a second leg of that, but we already had 4 legs down, so it was climactic. Let's go. Let me delete this since there's no point of doing that. Where are we? Oh. Here we are. Okay, big gap down. Now we know what we're looking at. Bar one, bull bar, very bad for the bear case. The bears that want to get continuation, you do not want to see a bar this big. Bar one was really big. I think it was 30 points. 32 points. So be careful. Reduce your position size. The markets are getting volatility from the bear spike down, and now we have a 33-point bar for bar one. So think about that when you're positioning. I traded really small today. 1 micro, so 4-point loss with plus commissions, but it was a total of 4 points with commissions, so that's slap on the wrist. Not tripping. First red day of the month. I went live today, and of course the first time I go live, it's the first red day of the month. Ay. This guy's a poser. All right, so bar one, bad for the bears, good for the bulls. Bar two is follow through. Then we get a bear bar, bar three. We get another leg higher, 4, 5, 6. So I'm counting leg one, leg two, possible leg three. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, wedge top. Then we have a sell off, leg one, pull back leg two, testing the upper half of bar one. It leads to another leg one. Oh, excuse me, another leg two. Leg one, pull back leg two. Again, the reason I'm counting that is because that's how the day unfolds, right? In this point in time, this is 3 legs higher, and even at not a point, it's always 3 legs higher. Like one, pull back, like two, pull back, like three, because from here to here is a trend line break. So every time we have a trend line break, that's a new leg. Like one, pull back, like two, pull back, like three. Wedge top, that leads to 2 legs lower, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then all in itself, this price structure by itself is strong enough for its own second leg. Like one, pull back, like two, and that's what we see with 11, 12, 13. First trade of the day, I bought 11's high, got stopped out. I had time to get out, but I was being stupid. No, I wasn't being stupid. I was being kind of stupid. I called this out as being a pullback, but I held because I was stubborn. I thought we would tag the EMA. Nonetheless, I got stopped out. For the bear side, bulls have a second leg trap into resistance. There's a magnet around the EMA so there's sell orders laced here. They'd be more like that, and it's pushing the market lower. 18, 19, 20. strong enough for its own second leg down. 21 first pullback, 22 second pullback. Could be a double top right here. Excuse me. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Hell, you see 26's tail, pullback leg 3. Wedge bottom testing the 50% level. Then we see 27, 28. Rally, strong enough to get its own second leg, deep pullback 29. I bought the high here and I got out around here. Actually, not there. I got around there, right under the EMA. We go sideways, creating a bear flag. This structure strong enough to get its own second leg, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I sold the low here. I got filled on I got filled around here. Scalped out on a 40, 41, can't really remember. And then those 4 bars are trying to get its own second leg, and they get a very small, weak second leg, leg 1, pull back leg 2. 3 bear bars, no continuation, 49. If you're short and you see 49, I think it's best to get out. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. What I'm hinting at is their support, get out on 49. 49 rallies too fast, it becomes climactic, so the bulls are taking profits, which is also testing the low here. Testing the low, sells off. People that short this make 1R very quickly, so they get filled and take profits on bar 50. 51 creates a wedge top, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, wedge top into resistance, leads 2 legs lower, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Now we're having double bottom bull flag, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Right here, testing support 54, and it rallies, strong rally 55, pullback 57, 50, 55, pullback, leg 1. Why did I just call it a leg 1? Because it's renewed momentum, and I trade breakouts, but more so recently I've been thinking of breakouts as momentum. So if there's enough momentum in the markets, I'm gonna take that for a second piece, whether that be a measured move or just a quick scalp. By thinking like that, I'm allowing myself more trades. So if you hear me say momentum, I'm thinking breakout. If I say this is good momentum, this is a good breakout. And I'll say that a couple more times in the videos, because I'm sure not every single one of you are going to watch this video. I don't even know how many of you actually do watch these videos, but I keep posting them. So 57, 58, 59, 60, 3 legs higher. And I know I just said that's one leg, but again, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. We have a pattern here. It's small, big. So we have range compression, range expansion, range compression, range expansion. That's a very common rotation for the markets across all time frames for price action. Is fractal. Wedge top in a bear regime under the EMA. That's going to get sold. I missed this trade. I saw it after the day was over. I would have loved to have had a limit order here, get filled on a wedge top 60, and it sells for 1R. But it got filled very quick, 63. Missed that trade, unfortunately. I bought 57, I got stopped out, and then I bought 60 and it caught the rally. Did I say 60? When I bought 65, I was still buying it off the premise of this bargaining 1R or this bargaining 1R. I read it as an overshoot, but nonetheless, -4 today. Bulls that bought this make 1R very quickly. Bulls that buy 58 make 1R very quickly. And they make it so quickly they have to take profits. Bears see this as 3 pushes higher. So where's the 3 pushes? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, wedge top, into resistance, creates a waterfall sell, which is also a wedge bottom with these tails here, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4, you could say 65. Climactic selling. That's why I bought this. I was kind of convinced these guys weren't going to get a second leg. I thought this was the second leg for this move here. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, A, B, C, D. And then we rallied for 3, 4 legs. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4, bull breakout. Really cool way to end the day. We had a huge gap down, but bulls were buying up as much as they could. And we ended the day at a new high, which is quite rare. We don't necessarily end the day at a new high. So yeah, I'm gonna go over some measured moves and then call it. Today was a little more of a quick one. 3 bars here. Buy the pullback, you're gonna get stopped out. Oh wow, you actually don't. So you buy the pullback 7, you make 1R before you don't. I didn't take that trade because I bought the high of 12. 3 bars by the high of 12, looking for a retest. Stopped out. These 3 bars here, 3 bar max channel, pull back. You don't make 1-to-1, but you can get out for a scalp, and you have like a lot of time. So you go into drawdown for 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes total. You have 2 hours and 45 minutes to take profits, minus 15 minutes. So you have 2 hours and 15 minutes to decide that this is not going to get a second piece. So if you get stopped out over here for this short, well, that's on you. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing. I just think I didn't do that. I just think the timing of it's funny. Like you only see red for 15 minutes, and then you have 2 hours and 15 minutes to take profits. Anyways, shouldn't be laughing. 27 makes 1R very quickly, so I buy it on I get filled on 29 and I get out on 30 or 31, can't really remember. And then bar 40, you can short that. I shorted it because I wanted to see bar 18's breakout point. So just how I said you can get a second leg here, when I got filled on this bar, I was actually looking for this second leg. I just wanted a delayed second leg for a little bit of a bigger move. I scalped out around here. It was one of these bars. I might have scalped out like right there. Been scalping a lot. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, trying to get its own second leg, and it does here. I did not get a piece of that second leg. I kind of wish I did, but that's not the system I'm trading. 1-to-1 is met there. Very nice, very good. Bar 63, you short it. You make your 1-to-1 quickly. I got filled on... No, I didn't take 63. I was long through this whole thing. I was long and I was inching up my order, my trailing stop, because past 72, anything could happen. Just how 78 zoomed up, it could have zoomed down. And I really wasn't willing to take a big hit at the end of the day, so by me trailing my stop, I got pinged out on 77 and actually missed the move I was looking for. My target was 1 tick above 61 or above 60, because strong moves usually go past by 1 tick. So I put my target 1 tick above 60, and that was met. But end of the day, it is what it is. Guys, I appreciate you tuning in live today. It was fun. Probably gonna do more of that. We'll see when. I just kind of did it on a whim today. I had fun. Probably gonna do it again. I met a lot of new people, a lot of cool people. So I hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys are profitable. Today was a trading range, but we had about 50, 60 point range, which is crazy to think. You guys have a good one. I will talk to you tomorrow. Stay safe. Use your stop loss. Have a good one, everyone. And we'll do more fractal price action later. I just got some things I got to do today. Talk to you guys later. Thank you again. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. Bye.